everyone, my name is Sakshi Pawar. I am student of Brisbane Institute from batch 22. So today's topic for a daily task video is the drug discovery and development process. Drug discovery and development is a complex process that involves several stages. The first one is the target identification. Biological understanding research begins with the understanding diseases mechanism, often using genomics, proteomics, and metabolic to pinpoint potential therapeutic targets. Then functional genomics. Techniques like CRISPR screening and identifying genes that, when knocked out, affect disease pathway. The second one is target validation. Confirm that the target is relevant to the disease through various assays, including genetic and pharmacological studies. Then lead compound identification. Compound libraries. Researchers utilize libraries of small molecules, natural products, or peptides to find potential candidates. Then the next step is a screening technique. High throughput screening. Automated system tests thousands of compounds against the target to identify hits. Then the next stage is virtual screening. In this, computational methods predict compound target interactions, prioritizing compounds for further testing. Then the next point is hit to lead optimization. Hits are modified to improve their potency, selectivity, and pharmacokinetic properties, often involving iterative cycles of design and testing. Then the next stage is preclinical testing. In this, in vitro studies, testing compounds in cultured cells to assess biological activity and cytotoxicity. Then the next stage is in vivo studies. In this, animal models are used to evaluate pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, and toxicity. Toxicology is comprehensive studies to assess short-term and long-term toxicity, including genotoxicity and reproductive toxicity. Then the next stage is clinical trials. In this phase 1 trials focus on the safety, tolerability, and pharmacokinetics, and involves healthy volunteers or patients in some cases. Phase 1 trials. In this, test efficacy and side effects in a larger patient population, can be single arm or randomized controlled trials. In phase 3 trials, large scale studies comparing the new drug to standard therapies, and can involve multiple sites and diverse populations to ensure generalizability. Then the next stage is a regulatory approval. In this, submission of NDA, the new drug application, or biologics license applications, means BLA, is submitted for regulatory review. Then the next one process is review process. Regulatory agencies evaluate the clinical data, labeling, manufacturing processes, and overall benefit risk assessment. Often include advisory committee meeting to gather expert opinions. Then post approval. Approval may come with the stipulation for further studies or risk mitigation strategies. Then post marketing surveillance. This is also known as phase 4 trials. Further studies to evaluate long-term effects and effectiveness in broader populations. Pharmacovigilance continuous monitoring for adverse drug reactions and side effects. Then risk management plans. It is strategies to minimize the risk associated with the drug, including risk evaluation and mitigation strategies in United States. So the key methodologies in drug discovery in this structure-based drug design utilizes 3D structures of biological targets to design new compounds. And fragment-based drug discovery in these smaller chemical fragments are screened and optimized to create larger, more complex drugs. And high content screening in this combines HTS with advanced imaging techniques to assess cellular responses. Then the next one is challenges in drug development. High cost and time. The entire process can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars, with many candidates failing at various stages. Then regulatory challenges. Navigating the complex regulatory landscape can delay development. Market competition. Innovative drugs face competition from generics and alternative therapies, impacting profitability. And then emerging trends. Precision medicine, developing drugs tailored to specific genetic profiles to enhance the efficacy and minimize the side effects. Then biologics and biosimilars. The growth in therapies derived from the biological sources, leading to complex manufacturing and regulatory challenges. Then artificial intelligence, increasing use of AI and machine learning to predict drug interactions, optimize compound design, and streamline clinical trial processes. So the drug discovery and development process is intricate and multidisciplinary effort that involves collaboration among scientists, clinicians, and regulatory experts. The continuous advancement in technology and methodologies are shaping the future of how new therapies are developed, aiming to improve efficiency and outcomes in addressing various diseases.